Need to install Zoom on your computer for meetings, classes, or online calls. The setup process is quick and only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Zoom in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Zoom website. From there, navigate to the Downloads page to find the latest desktop application. Downloading Zoom from the official website helps ensure you're installing the latest and safest version. Next, click the Download button for the Zoom Workplace desktop app. Your browser will begin downloading the installer automatically. The file is usually downloaded within a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Once the download finishes, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. The installer will automatically copy the required files to your computer. After the installation is complete, Zoom should open automatically. If it doesn't, launch it from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. You'll now see the Zoom sign-in window. If you already have a Zoom account, sign in using your email address or another available sign-in method. If you're new to Zoom, choose the option to create a free account. Signing in lets you join calls, schedule meetings, and access your personal settings. Finally, join a test meeting or open the settings menu to check your microphone, speakers, and camera before your first meeting. So once everything is working correctly, you're ready to start using Zoom, and that's how to install Zoom. With the application installed and your account ready, you can join meetings, host video calls, and collaborate online with ease. I mean, spending a minute testing your audio and camera before a meeting can save a lot of time later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.